Yes.
I've jumped on a lot of you guys' lives.
Oh, yeah.
I've asked you a loaded question before. So one of your greatest blessings, you said?
One of my blessings is my longevity has been that of my integrity, and I take a lot of pride in what I do, and I don't do favors for people, man. My job is to be a conservative of the breed, so I'm obligated to do my best for the dogs. And the question you had asked me, I think that's been my blessings, that there's no favoritism, there's no homeboy, compadre, my family, because no, it's strictly dogs. And I think that's given me the longevity as long as I've been in the bully game, judging. And it's taken me around the world. I've been blessed to go to over 25 different countries, judging shows all over the globe. So it's a great question, though.
Yeah, absolutely. And you said you don't see beyond the leash, so I remember that too.
I don't. No. It's the dog. Yeah. People will come up to me after the show and they'll ask me, "Do you remember me?" And I honestly don't, because I'm so focused here that I never look up to see the person. You know what I'm saying? So.
And I respect that for sure.
Yeah.
That's one of the greatest things I know, like watching you, and you can tell is that you're so passionate. And that's how I am also, and my partner also. So.
I respect that. I love. Without the passion, there's no drive, and that's what keeps you going. Because if you get tired and bored, you'll stop. And I admire people that have a lot of passion. So thank you so much for coming up to me and talking to me. I appreciate it.